Alright guys, staying in the shop. Basically, as you can see, the truck is apart. Don't really have a full intro of what's going on. Kind of failed you guys because pretty much we had the open bay in the shop. Don't want to take up too much time trying to record just nitpicky stuff about the truck, but anyway, got the motor apart. Basic LS teardown, so I feel like there's no need to make a detailed video about it. But now we're to the point where we can take the camshaft out, put the new one in, put the heads on, and get it back together. That's more of what this build is about, is putting the new parts in to see how it performs. It's not really about taking the old parts or a teardown or a build guide. That's not really my style. But anyway, like I said, let me turn it back around. I'm gonna go ahead and get the truck back together. The guys at the shop are gonna help me out. We got the heads, the cam, the transmission, this big monster over here, the headers. It's quite a few parts, a new intake, getting rid of that one. So there's quite a few parts that are gonna go into this to make this what I want it to be. The exhaust should be relatively simple, considering everything from the trans cross member back is brand new, so we're just going to get rid of this old stuff. The long tubes will make it a little bit easier because they reach back so far, so just a bit of pipe and that'll be that. But like I said, I'm just going to time lapse everything. If you have any questions, drop them down in the comments. I appreciate you guys who have been commenting, communicating with me. My Instagram is in the link below. You guys check out those links. That's the easiest way to get in contact with me if you have any questions about parts or what you think you should do for your build, because I've had people ask, and if you reach out to me through Instagram, I'll see it way quicker than the comments on YouTube. But enough of me talking. We're gonna go ahead and get this bad boy, get this cam out. That's gonna be exciting. See how this this Bullet racing cam looks. And then I'll probably come back to you guys in a minute before we throw the heads on. Alright guys, so day 2 of the install. As you can see, I got the heads on, the cams in. Gonna finish up putting the rest of the top end together, probably minus the intake, and then go down below to put trans in. Boxes and parts galore. It's a little messy right now, but like I said, the heads are on, torque to spec, all that good stuff. So I'll probably clean up here a little bit, throw the push rods in, put the rockers on, and put the valve covers on. Leave it as is for a little bit, jump down below. That'll be real fun, and we'll see where we go from there. But not too bad. I really want to get it finished. One, for the sake of the video, and 2, just ready to have this thing running. So I'll probably do some more time lapse, and that'll be it.
Alright, ladies and gentlemen, so day 4, the last day. As you can see, got the intake on with the Holley throttle body and front accessories put back on. Just buttoned everything up, got the harness tucked away. Hopefully by the end of this afternoon the truck will be running. I kind of failed you guys because before our ladies in, I didn't really record too much of actually putting it in. I didn't record any at all because I really just wanted to concentrate and get it done. I realized I'm not the best at, how you doing guys? I'm not the best at actually explaining what I'm doing as I go, with especially something like this. This is my first time, so I just wanted to make sure I focused and did it. But hopefully we'll be running today. I think I'll cut this video right here and then make a running first drive
I gotta get the exhaust kind of finished up because we got the long tubes. So I think I'll end this video here for this part, but there will be a part 2 of actually the first start, the first drive, put it on the dyno right behind me, see what power it makes, and get the idle. But I appreciate you guys for watching it. Appreciate you guys who have been tuning in the whole time. The truck will be running here shortly, so be on the lookout for the next video. And thank you for subscribing. If you subscribe, if you're new, give this video a thumbs up, drop a comment down below. I appreciate talking to you guys and everything like that, so drop a comment, give me a thumbs up. Everybody have a good day.